How to use ChatGPT for medical information? First of all, simply open the ChatGPT application, or you can also use ChatGPT from the browser if you don't have one. But be sure that just use ChatGPT for medical information as a preliminary learning tool to research symptoms, understand diagnosis, or prepare questions for your doctor, but never completely rely on it. You must always verify AI-generated health advice with a licensed healthcare provider, as ChatGPT can sometimes hallucinate, omit critical context, and cannot perform physical examination, so it's always best to go to a nearby doctor or health post. But if you just want to search or use it, you can use it in this way. Simply type the problem that you are facing, or you can just use the feature. Hey, I'm feeling some headache. What should I do? And as you can see, these are some simple problems that everyone faces. So what you can do is drink a glass of water and follow some prescriptions like these. Like drinking a glass of water, eating something, and resting. Avoid staring at your phone. Doing these activities won't affect you in any way, rather than just eating the medicine that it suggests. Be very cautious while using this, and always visit a doctor. And that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, consider give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.